Hello everyone, my name is Javier Osorio and today we're going to take a look at the online privacy issue for my Global Learning in the Tech Arena class. I am going to talk about the overall issue and then I am going to talk about the pros and cons so everyone learns something today. Towards the end of the video, I'll input my own opinion in order not to influence yours and you make your own judgment. Online privacy is a new thing. This is due to the fact that the internet and social media is unprecedented in human history, and at the moment we are not really sure how to regulate it due to the fact that this is all very new to everyone. Therefore, sometimes it is a good idea just to take a step back and actually look at all the key issues that we have when talking about privacy in the online arena. You may have heard of the term data mining recently. Data mining is the practice of examining a large database in order to generate new information. You may ask, what does this have to do with online privacy and how does it affect us? The simple matter of fact is that companies are using us as their databases to generate new information on us. Currently, there is a vacuum in relation to data collection and monetization, and it has gotten out of control. In 2016, a company known as Cambridge Analytica was said to have about 5,000 data points on any one person. This is unprecedented. This was the first time in human history as data was more valuable than oil prices were. As we said before, data mining is sorting data according to your needs. It refers to the process of extracting a large number of consistent data patterns capable of generating valuable insight. Data mining came about with the intention of helping to understand a huge amount of data. This could then be used to draw conclusions to contribute to the improvement and growth of companies. The analysis of data through data mining can provide countless advantages to companies for the optimization of their management and time. However, there can also be some inconveniences when using data mining techniques. As you can see, as previously explained, data mining and online privacy go one and one together. With companies able to get our data, there is a better customer relationship management. It helps businesses know what type of customers to approach with different kinds of products. This guarantees the sales of the products and not the pitching of the product. It also helps companies in choosing different marketing strategies depending upon the demographic of their customers. In order to maintain a healthy business, you must forecast your trends. Marketing and retailing depend on the current market trends that are followed by customers. Since businesses have our data, this allows these industries to find the correct trends through market research, which in turn helps them in choosing their marketing strategies. It allows them to predict trends and products that customers would find interesting and would buy. It therefore helps them stay ahead of the competition. With so much new data well analyzed, the R&D department will be at the forefront of the trends and will be able to think about their next product. One strategy that can be used while data mining is to compare the information gathered from the company with that of other main competitors. With this, they can improve on their marketing and develop better products and services and even strengthen their brand. Have you ever started thinking about something then out of nowhere you see an ad for it? The reason this happens is that companies have so much data on you they can predict what you are thinking. Today's consumers crave for a personalized and interactive experience with the companies they engage with. Thus, the only way to retain customers is to truly understand their behavior, characteristics, and preferences. Data mining enables quick and efficient analysis of the main attributes of customers. Thus, your advertising campaigns will be targeted to the people that they are most likely to be consumers. With companies having so much of our data, it allows them to make a huge profit. And this is the main reason why they do it. In short, the pros of data mining slash collecting our data by breaching online privacy, they can maintain a better customer relationship and therefore personalize everything toward that customer in order to make their biggest profit. Now that we have talked about the advantages of breaching online privacy, we will now talk about why it is bad. The main reason why is due to security concern of very critical data. Companies hold a lot of critical information on their customers and employees as well. There's always a risk of being hacked as a massive amount of valuable data gets stored in the data mining systems. There is also a national security concern. This is why companies such as TikTok are in the talk nowadays because they feel like they're giving data to China. Another con of these companies allowed to freely invade our online privacy is sometimes you just want to keep things a secret or you don't want other people to know. For example, medical information. You do not want medical information just freely floating out there, being able to sell it. This can negatively affect your insurance rates, such as your premiums. An example of this is companies such as Ancestry. They state their main objective is to connect people from all around the world that may be somewhat related distantly. However, they make a huge profit by selling that information to insurance companies and also to police. You may ask yourself, how do companies keep all these customers engaged and entertained in order to keep getting their information? The way they do this is by using something they call persuasive technology. Persuasive technology is broadly defined as technology that is designed to change attitudes or behaviors of the users through persuasion and social influences, but not through coercion. You may think to yourself, this doesn't apply to me, but in fact it surely does. They use psychology in order to try and get your most attention in order to try and get the data. Remember, their profits are everything. Let's take Google for example. You may think that their main product is their search engine, but however, their main product is you. They make their money by selling the certainty that their targeted ads will work. They know you that well. They have all your information already. Now you may be thinking, why don't we have privacy laws in order to stop this? Or at least regulate this so this is not unregulated. Currently in the United States, it is quite easy to start up an online business. However, this is quite different in Europe due to the fact that they have already a privacy law enacted. Their privacy, known as the GDPR, makes it very hard for small businesses to compete with big businesses due to the fact that they all must follow the same regulations. Therefore, we must be very careful when trying to enact a new law. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you actually learned something from this video. I will now state my own opinion on the issue. I feel that this issue is something new and it needs to be something highly regulated, and it is currently not. Well, that's my take on the matter. I hope you guys have a good day.